안녕하세요. During the last two classes, we studied the be verbs 예요 and 이에요, and also topic particles 는 and 은. Today, let's make a sentence by combining these two parts. Let me show you how you introduce yourself. For example, I'm Sarah. I is 저. Look at the last alphabet of 저, and it is a vowel 어. So let's add a topic particle 는. 저는. And the last alphabet of Sarah, it is also a vowel 아. So you should attach 예요. We made a sentence. I'm Sarah. 저는 사라예요. Now you can introduce yourself by putting your name into this pattern. How about Carrie? 저는 캐리예요. How about Michelle? 저는 미셸이에요. Now let's talk about the nationality. In Korean, person is 사람. When you talk about your nationality, just add 사람 to the country name. For example, if you are French, you can say 프랑스 사람. If you are Vietnamese, just say 베트남 사람. If you came from Peru, just say 페루 사람. Please tell me your nationality. I'm Iranian. 저는 이란 사람이에요. I'm Kenyan. 저는 케냐 사람이에요. I'm Swedish. 저는 스웨덴 사람이에요. I'm Indonesian. 저는 인도네시아 사람이에요. Like this, most national names use English as it is. However, the 4 countries below, including Korea, have Korean names. The last syllable is always 국, which means country. Korea, 한국, USA, 미국, UK, 영국, China, 중국. And some countries have also Korean names without 국. Australia, 호주, South Africa, 남아공, Germany, 독일, Japan, 일본. Okay, let's talk about occupations using the same pattern. I'm a chef. 저는 요리사예요. I'm a doctor. 저는 의사예요. I'm a student. 저는 학생이에요. I'm a superman. 저는 슈퍼맨이에요. Now you can introduce yourself by name, nationality, and occupation. 저는 미셸이에요. 캐나다 사람이에요. 선생님이에요. 저는 준하예요. 한국 사람이에요. 드론 조종사예요. Or you can say drone pilot이에요. And also, instead of I, you can put a specific person's name to make your own sentences. 다리아는 유튜버예요. 카일라는 선생님이에요. 레이첼은 기자예요. 필립은 가수예요. Now let's talk about things. I hope you remember this one and that one. 이거는, 그거는, 저거는. And also you learn the short forms. 이건, 그건, 저건. Can you make this sentence in Korean? This is a book. 이건 책이에요. How about this is a bag? 이건 가방이에요. This is school. 이건 학교예요. You can use the same pattern without thinking articles such as a, an, the, and plural s, and zero, uncountable noun. Let's practice more. This is a door. Doors are 문. So you can make that sentence. 이건 문이에요. Good. Eggs are 달걀 or 계란. Both standard Korean, but I prefer 달걀. 이건 달걀이에요. Wind is 바람. 그건 바람이에요. The moon is 달. 저건 달이에요. Glasses are 안경. 이건 안경이에요. So you don't need to use plural forms here. You can make now hundreds of sentences using this pattern. Then test yourself with some very funny sentences. I'm a zombie. Yes. 저는 좀비예요. This is time machine. 이건 time machine이에요. Cell phone is a friend. Friend, do you remember? 친구. 핸드폰은 친구예요. Time is a history. 시간은 역사예요. 시간은 역사예요. Wine is happiness. 포도주는 행복이에요. Have a nice day. 안녕히 계세요.